Hello everybody. Today we're down on Bluestone WMA on a buck hunt / doe hunt. It's cold. It's about 22 degrees. It's about 15-mile-per-hour winds. So far we ain't seen nothing. Well, we're gonna hold on. Maybe the big buck or the little doe will come by. Y'all stick around and watch and see what we can find, guys.
How far?
All the way. Gonna make us some hot soup, guys. Alright, we've been sitting here about 2 hours. We haven't seen nothing. So we're going to ease around the hill here and see if we can see any. Try another spot. There's a little pine thicket over here. Maybe we can see one bedded down. Let's go find out. Alright everybody, we found us another spot. Really brushy. On the edge of a field. We're lower on the mountain, out of the wind. So we're going to sit here for a little while and see if anything decides to come through. Alright, we've been here a little over 3 hours. We've yet to see a deer, a squirrel, or hardly any other living creature. So we're going to make our way back to the truck. Maybe we'll see one, maybe we won't. If not, we've had fun. Although a little cold. Y'all come along with us. Let's get back to the truck. Alright everybody, we made it back to the truck. And it's still cold. Let's unload this rifle. We'll ride down the road and look at the sights coming off the mountain. The rifle I'm carrying today is just a cheap Remington 700 ADL. Got the blind magazine, but I put a fancy Boyd's laminated stock on it. Good shooting gun. Let's unload it. Put it in the case. .270 Winchester. Bluestone Lake. Today we was hunting at Bluestone WMA, which is all this land on the other side of the lake, and it stretches all the way to the state line, Glenlyn, Virginia, in that direction. But on the right and on the left is Bluestone WMA, and where we were hunting at today is probably 3 miles or so back in that direction, up on the ridge, on the top of the mountain. But I hope you enjoyed going along with us today, and hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, the Christian Outdoorsman.